Hello everyone, and meet the HiKiNS upgraded robot vacuum featuring a powerful 3500 paw suction for deep cleaning. This slim device stands only 2.99 inches tall to reach under furniture and hidden corners easily. Advanced sensors help it avoid collisions and stairs while climbing small slopes for a seamless cleaning experience. You get up to 120 minutes of runtime to cover your entire home on a single charge. The vacuum automatically returns to its dock when the battery is low, so it is always ready. Use the remote to switch between spot cleaning and edge modes for the perfect floor treatment. Enjoy a spotless home today with this efficient and quiet robotic assistant for every floor type. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.